What's up, YouTubers? Gonna make a video here very quickly for you. What I'm trying to do today, well, let me start by the basics. Take my brass tack and come down here. What I'm looking for is going to be a little difficult to see, but you have this purple where my finger is. There's a purple connector there, and you're gonna take your flat end and you're gonna plug it into this. You'll know you're plugged in once the light comes on. Should be green. What you're gonna do is gonna get in the car, try to stop this crazy beeping sound. All right, so that's off. And what we're looking to do today is on your RPM and your miles per hour gauge. What I want to do is I want to get in the car. I want to do it full sweep. Personally, like that, where you turn the ignition on and your gauge sweeps. It just has a nice aesthetic look to it. Makes the car feel modern, and you know, it's personal preference, to each their own. So what I'm going to do is I plug in, turn the ignition on to position 2. Now remember, when you're modifying any coding, this is just my personal experience and I'm sharing it with you. Make sure to know exactly what you're doing before you start. So what I do is I come over to my communication system, my VCDS communication system. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to access the instrument cluster by selecting control modules, then going over to gateway 17 for instruments. Once that's started, now I recommend for those who don't know what they're doing to do a full system scan, which was back earlier, which saves your coding. Make sure to save a log of it. What you're going to do afterwards is you're going to come over to the coding, or actually in this situation you're going to go to gateway 10 for adaptation, which is right over here. And then once you have gateway 10 for adaptation selected, alright, this will give you a list of different channels. What you want to do in these channels is take your mouse right over here, drop down menu. You got a lot of stuff going on over here. What we're looking to do is scrolling down to, now every car will be a little different. For some it may say something different, and this car, this is what it's called, so I can only share with you what I have available to me. And what we're doing is we're scrolling down till we get to, once I see the name of, okay, indicator celebration. Then what we do is we select indicator celebration. As you can see, that's not active right now. What we're going to do is we're going to make it active. We're going to take this drop down right over here. We're going to scroll over active, and we're going to do it. All right, and that's going to ask me, do I want to replace? Yes. Okay. It accepted the request. You will now read the channel again. All right. Now it's active. What you're going to do is close the controller all the way until you exit out. What you want to do is cycle your ignition. And now when you turn your ignition back on, you will have a full sweep. All right. So hopefully you could appreciate that, enjoy that. That is one of those things that I personally think looks really cool. I'm going to show you once again now. And we got a full system sweep, at least the first time. Thanks for watching. Okay, really quickly coming back here. I did think there was something wrong after I did it with regards to it working once and then not working again. But it seems like it needs maybe about, you know, a minute or 2 or 3 to have the car in the intervals in order for it to cycle through. So I probably wait about 2 minutes now, and I'm going to turn the ignition back on and it will cycle. Okay, so you need a moment. Sometimes I for a second thought it stopped working, but really you just needed to give it a break. It seems like a minute or 2 and then it will cycle again. Very cool. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification. See you on the next video.